I would like to welcome everyone to the Canton South Campus and the ribbon cutting for our brand new Career Tech Education HVAC facility and program.
It's really a great study in how you should get things done, because it begins with a vision. And representing and being here on behalf of Governor Mike DeWine, I can tell you that his vision is for every Ohioan to have a chance to reach their God-given potential.
We had been talking about how to expand our career tech opportunities, and the governor's office was looking for the same thing. What we kept saying is the kind of programs that we need, like an HVAC program, we don't have space for. And so it was going to take a several $million grant for us to be able to expand to a program like this. So when we heard the governor's office talking about the potential for facilities expansion money specifically, we knew we had to go for it.
Because of the changing nature of workforce, because of the demographics in Ohio, it really has become a focal point for us, getting young people more exposed to the opportunities that are out there.
This particular group in this new building that we have is going to serve 38 new students in its first year. And what we know is HVAC is one of our fastest growing, top demand fields in the state. So every student that goes through this program is nearly guaranteed a job if they want it when they graduate.
We have 4 different HVAC companies that come right from our own community. There's a lot of retirements coming in the next 5 to 10 years, and they're not finding young people to replace them.
AI is not taking our jobs anytime soon. The reality is somebody needs to put the ladder up. We need real bodies out there on the roof, working on equipment in action.
It's one of our highest recruited programs, even though we didn't have a teacher or a building actually up yet.
When I walked in here for the first time, once it was built, and even seeing some of the equipment come in, I mean, it's awesome.
We have multiple workstations out, a full sheet metal lab, the latest and greatest amateur equipment. I mean, this is how it'll all be in the field, just on the board, which is super unique. The first time I've ever seen anything like this, which it's super impressive.
Students enjoy the work because of the experiential learning they can do with their hands and the project-based learning that they can see the end product.
And I think especially in the trades, the best way to learn it is to get hands-on. There's elements that you have to know in the textbook, but these trainers will allow our kids to have hands-on, real-world experience inside a classroom setting where they're able to make mistakes and learn from them.
I love being able to see kids choose what they're going to do next. A lot of education is things that are required. Career tech is not. So it is awesome to be able to have opportunities that kids can choose to do because they come in excited, instead of it's something that they dread because they have to do it. They're here because they want to do it.
When I walk in this space, I see the future of Ohio and I see the future of Ohio's students.
We're making a dent in the workforce needs. And now what's going to be fun is to walk in at some graduations and see a whole bunch of young people who will be telling you we graduated from this program and now we're employed and we're staying right here in Stark County.